What's the meaning of bitonal? Bitonal. Bitonal.
Bitonal. Bitonal. Bitonal refers to an image or document that is composed of only two colors, typically black and white. The term bitonal comes from the binary nature of the image file, in which each pixel is either black or white, with no intermediate shades of gray. Bitonal images are commonly used in document scanning and digital archiving because they offer several advantages over full-color or grayscale images, including smaller file sizes and easier text recognition. However, bitonal images may not be suitable for certain types of content, such as photographs, where color and shading are important for conveying meaning or visual impact.